Mel 2204, your budget vlogger host. Subscribe!
Magandang araw Pilipinas, isa na namang show-stopping moment mula sa ating pambato na si Joy Barcoma representing the Philippines sa Miss Earth 2025 Finals. Ngayong gabi during the top 12 evening gown competition, Joy captivated everyone with her regal presence and breathtaking confidence. Paglabas pa lang niya sa stage ay agaw pansin agad ang kanyang shimmering silver gown na may intricate crystal embellishments, shoulder details at figure-hugging silhouette na talaga namang bumagay sa kanyang eleganteng postura. The gown perfectly highlighted her curves, grace and poise. Every step exuded strength, elegance and empowerment. Ang ganda ng movement ng fabric under the lights, parang bituin na gumagalaw sa entablado. Sigawan naman ang lahat ng mga Pinoy pageant fans upang sumuporta kay Joy Barcoma. Joy walked with pure confidence, calm, classy and commanding. Her smile, her posture and that signature Filipino elegance made her one of the most memorable contenders on stage tonight. Makikita mo talaga na sa bawat tingin at galaw niya ang dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa kanyang advocacies. Beauty with a purpose and passion for the planet. Maraming pageant analysts at fans ang pumuri sa kanyang styling. Simple yet powerful. The gown's design and her overall aura reflected a queen ready to conquer the Miss Earth crown. Are you ready everyone for the announcement of winners? Patuloy na umantabay at mag-subscribe. Magkita po tayo muli sa susunod na video.